What's up, guys? Welcome back to GRUNT Nation. Today I'll be reviewing a new firearm. It is the Heritage Rough Rider Revolver. Let's go ahead and open her up. As always, everything always comes with a manual. Extra paperwork. And here it is. This is the 22 long rifle revolver. It is a single action, so it only works if you pull the hammer all the way back and then pull the trigger. It holds 6 rounds. This is able to shoot the 22 and 22 Magnum. You have to get a different cylinder for the 22 Magnum, but for now, I'm just gonna stick with the 22 just to keep it as a little convenient blinker. Overall, I think it seems very well made. It honestly has some heft to it, like it's quality. Like it's very solid, very well put together. The only thing that's really different on it is the safety back here. I can kind of show you how the safety works. So there's a little rod right in there. It'll flatten out. And you can see red is fire. You can see it goes all the way down. And then when the safety's on, it won't touch all the way. It honestly feels pretty good quality for the price that it's at. It's actually very affordable. It's in the range of $99 to $200. Some people wonder what is the point in one of these. A lot of people use them just for playing around, plinking, doing whatever you want with it, honestly. I do know some people that do go hunting with these. The only downfall to that is there are not adjustable sights on them, so it'll be a little difficult to hit them longer range targets. I know some of these hit a little left, hit a little right, and you can't really adjust to that, but overall it's just a fun little 22 to mess around with. So how it works is you pull the hammer halfway, that way the cylinder can move. You open that and you slide your rounds in one at a time. And then to unload, let's say you fired all your rounds, bang, bang, bang. Then you open it up, half cock it again, and then on this side, there's a little ejector that you manually eject the rounds yourself. So you turn it, you eject, turn it, you eject. I know it's a slow process, but it kind of helps you to take your time shooting, enjoy the smaller things. It's really beneficial for if you're just starting off in firearms and understanding the mechanics of older one before you get into a newer one or whatever you feel like doing. But yeah, this is the Heritage Rough Rider, chambered in 22. Let me know what you guys think. Appreciate you guys watching. If you have any comments or questions, go ahead and comment down below. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.